The Thinkware U3000 4K dual dash cam is a top-tier choice for those seeking high-quality video capture, offering unparalleled clarity with its Sony Starvis 2 sensors. This dash cam stands out with its advanced radar parking mode, ensuring your vehicle is monitored and protected even when parked, thanks to its motion detection and energy-saving features. Setting up the Thinkware U3000 is a breeze, with its quick Wi-Fi pairing, allowing for seamless connectivity and control, while its built-in GPS provides accurate speed and location tracking. Designed to cater to commuters, rideshare drivers, and families alike, this dash cam provides comprehensive front and rear coverage to keep you informed and secure. The Thinkware U3000 enhances road safety with its forward collision and lane departure warnings, while the Super Night Vision 4.0 ensures clear footage in low-light conditions. With features like Remote Live View and impact notifications, you can stay connected and aware of your vehicle's status, making it an excellent companion for any driver.